This is your reading for today. Your cards are Six of Swords and the Hermit. There is a question that you've been asking yourself for a very long time, especially as the year ends. And the question is, what is it that I truly desire? And when you ask yourself, what is it that I truly desire? You find yourself going into a space where you feel like leaving things behind. And one of the things, there are many things over here, but one of the primary things that you want to leave behind is this point of having to prove yourself right all the time. And you may be particularly trying to prove yourself right in the eyes of one particular person. And there are stories in your mind associated with this one particular person. And you will find that this desire to prove yourself right, it's like this. It's hiding some kind of a guilt that you associate with something. That thing is over, whatever it was. But there is a habit that the body remembers, and you are carrying a guilt about it. And whether you are actually going back to that old habit or not, there is a guilt that your body remembers, and you end up repeating the same behavior. And then you want to prove yourself right in the eyes of a particular person. And then you want to do everything to prove that you are right. So your task over here is to ask yourself, why do I want to prove myself right in that area? Why is it so important to me? And why is my action appearing as guilty? Your action is appearing as guilty because your mind is telling you the same story, where in reality there is nothing. So in your practical life, you need to work very hard that if you're doing whatever you're doing, and if you know that you're doing nothing wrong, then you don't need to feel guilty about it, and it must be visible in action. And this is something that your heart needs to process, and it has not been able to. There are still those thoughts sticking inside it, and it needs to process that. So, but believe me, it is almost at the tail end. You just have to work a little more, and there is a new beginning coming to you. So when you feel the actions of others are making you feel guilty is when that thing is getting triggered. And the actions of others may be totally unintentional. They may not be doing it intentionally, but you are feeling guilty about it, and then you feel that, oh, I have to defend myself at any cost, I have to do this, I have to do that. This needs to be corrected, right? And you are leaning too much into the inner space of thinking. And you just need to step out and be okay being vulnerable.